Hello everyone, this is Dr. Suruchi Puri from Delhi, once again bringing you greetings from our channel. This is a space where we talk anything and everything about skin and hair health. In this space, we are going to talk about how to take care of your skin from teenage skin to aged skin and hair loss and its management, including medical, procedural and surgical management. A brief introduction about myself. I am Dr. Suruchi Puri. I am a dermatologist. I did my MBBS and MD from the prestigious Maulana Azad Medical College, Delhi. I did my research on patent baldness in males and its management way back in 2002. Today's topic is, can whey proteins cause hair loss? Ingredients in whey proteins, specifically some of the amino acids, have been found in studies to be a potential cause of boosting testosterone. Past research has found that D-aspartic acid and carnitine are two of the amino acids found in whey proteins which have resulted in higher testosterone levels. So let's find out in this video if this link between whey proteins, testosterone and dihydrotestosterone actually has an impact on patent baldness or not. To understand this, let's first understand what whey proteins are. So how is whey produced? Milk is made up of two proteins, casein and whey protein. Whey protein can be separated from the milk protein casein as a byproduct of cheese making. Whey protein is considered as a complete protein as it contains all 9 essential amino acids. So there are 3 different types of whey proteins: the whey protein concentrate or the WPC, the whey protein isolate or the WPI, and the whey protein hydrolysate or the WPH. So let's study about them one by one. WPC or whey protein concentrate is the least expensive with the least concentration of proteins with low levels of fat and carbohydrates. Lower end concentration of proteins from 30% to up to 80 to 90% is seen in this WPC. It is less expensive than WPI or the whey protein isolate. Is the whey protein where further processing has been done to remove all the fat and the carbohydrates. It is expensive and it is at least containing 90% proteins. Now the third type is the WPH or the whey protein hydrolysate. Whey protein hydrolysate is also a whey protein isolate, but it is in a pre-digested form. So it is the fastest absorbed protein as compared to the other two mentioned proteins. It is the partially digested or the pre-digested form of a protein that because it has already undergone partial hydrolysis, so does not require much digestion in the human body. It is the most expensive one and the purest form of whey, so it is used by professionals, athletes and bodybuilders. This type of whey protein is also used in medical protein supplements and infant formulas. The benefits of whey protein. It is a complete protein with highest biological value, that is biological value ranging from 104 to 157, and it is highly effective in protein synthesis in the body. It contains all 22 amino acids including the essential amino acids, that is those which cannot be produced by the human body and have to be taken from an outside source. It also contains branched chain amino acids like leucine, isoleucine and valine, which are essential for muscle protein synthesis. Most doctors would agree that protein supplements accelerate hair loss for men who are genetically predisposed to male pattern baldness. Clinical studies, however, are limited on this association. In one clinical study, the difference between whey protein isolate on its own and with added vitamins was studied on hair loss. After having 3/4 of the genetically prone subjects take whey protein without vitamins for a few weeks, it was analyzed that these people developed poor quality of hair, had hair loss and have falling hair. Dr. Larry Shapiro's study actually found that the subjects who had specific vitamins, minerals, herbs and proprietary amino acids added to their whey protein shakes actually experienced better hair results, suggesting that one could potentially counteract the negative effects of whey by adding similar ingredients. Dr. Larry Shapiro's study concluded that a vitamin-enriched WPC or whey protein concentrate can have a very positive effect on healthier, fuller-looking hair, but at the same time, WPI or whey protein isolate can actually damage and accelerate hair loss in individuals because of the highly concentrated amount of amino acids and the high concentration of branched chain amino acids in it, which leads to high production of testosterone, which breaks down to give rise to DHT or dihydrotestosterone, which increases the hair loss in these men. Also, it has been seen that whey proteins allow anabolic hormones to increase. These anabolic hormones work in stimulating the insulin level in the body. Also, you need to have a look at your exercise routine. It is said that excessive weightlifting can increase the testosterone level and also help to accelerate hair loss in those who are genetically predisposed to baldness. On the other hand, cardio has been said to decrease the levels of DHT in the bloodstream. So, a recommended balance of cardio and weightlifting is claimed to be the best idea for those who are concerned with higher testosterone and DHT levels. In an issue of biological trace and element research, it was found that calcium also could increase significant levels of testosterone in the blood. Protein shakes will also contain certain substances like creatine and DHEA, which not only increase the muscle mass but also said to increase testosterone levels in the bloodstreams. Which can cause hair loss in people going in for weight training can be the use of steroids and the use of weight loss products and fat burners. The use of hormones also in these supplements can be responsible. Growth hormones are taken by people to build muscle mass. This can also increase the hair loss. Sometimes cows producing whey are injected with recombinant bovine growth hormone, a genetically engineered hormone used by dairy farmers for milk production. Such animals' milk is rich in IGF or insulin-like growth factor, which can contribute to hair loss in humans. All said and done, whey proteins should be taken under your treating dermatologist guidelines to see if they can benefit you or they can harm you. Take care. If you like the video, please press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.